How to create a Phantom wallet on laptop. Now, first of all, go to Google and type Phantom. Now open the official website. Now after you open the website, as you can see, now you can scroll down and read more about the Phantom wallet. And after you read all of the information that you want to know about Phantom wallet, now click on download for Chrome. Now it will lead you or redirect you to this Chrome store. Now click on add to Chrome. Now click on add extension. Now the extension, it will download in your browser. Now just wait a few seconds to install it in your browser. Now as you can see, our extension is ready for use. Now after that, click on create a new wallet, or you can open a new tab and click on this extension manager. Now after that, enable it from here. Now after that, it will show in this tab. Now click on it. Now after that, to redirect you to this same page. It's the same. Now click on create a new wallet. Now after that, click on continue or continue with email or create a seed phrase wallet. Now these two options is different, but they are the same. In the end, you will create your Phantom wallet. Now I will proceed with create a seed phrase. Now after that, I'll set up a password. For me, I will enter a password. Now make sure to make a strong password. Now click on I agree. Now click on continue. Now after that, take a screenshot of this phrase. Now as you can see, it shows you this. So if you now save these phrases in a safe place, because you will need it in the next step. Now the next step is, if you click on I saved my secret recovery phrase, click on continue. Now get started. Now after that, click on the Phantom wallet on the top, as you can see here. Now as you can see, we create our wallet on Phantom. So this is how to create a Phantom wallet on laptop. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.